And now we can focus on making the move backwards, move left, move right. It's gonna be the same thing. So now it's a good practice on your end to see what you're doing. If you get like try to get the hang of it by making move backwards and then move left and move right. I want you to make it on your own, just the way we did it over here. Alright, so you should have something like this. Left, right, down, up. You're going super fast. If you don't like the speed, you can always change it. It doesn't matter. I'll show you what the code should look like. So move forward, actor forward vector times 20. Move backwards the same, but this time minus 20, because we want it to go the opposite location as forward. Left, well, let's look at right first. Move right this time, it's the actor right vector. Right vector is, I might have to explain this, so I'm gonna just draw it again. Alright, you have like you have the player. Now you have forward vector, and then green is right vector, and then you have up vector. Actor forward vector makes the actor go forward. Actor right vector makes it go right, and up makes it go up. It's that simple. So we have the right vector. For it to go to the right, we say multiply that by 20, and if you want it to go left, it's minus 20.